you have at least a smartphone, you have internet connection, and you are living in a city, you know where they are selling cars and you are not making money? Alright, watch this video from A to Z where I will share a legitimate car business ideas that will let you earn money massively. And in this car business idea, you don't need investment. You does not need any startup capital. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the point. In this car business idea, all you need to do is just take your bath. After you take your bath, dress neatly and properly, look very responsible, and look educated. The next thing for you to do is to trust yourself, have confidence. Then you now walk straight to where they are selling cars. Immediately you reach where they are selling cars, ask of the manager or the owner of the car park. Then you now explain to the manager courageously that you wanted to start selling cars online. Guys, do not take this thing twisted. Let me explain. What I'm trying to say here is that ask the manager that you are going to be posting the cars online. Let him allow you snap the pictures of the cars, do a short video with the interior of the car and the exterior of the car. Then you now ask him the price of each car you snap and video. Then now, have agreement with the manager that anybody that pick interest on any car that you posted online on your platform, you will direct the person to the company. And after the customer come to the company and afford any car that you directed him to afford, you are going to get some percentage from inside. Guys, the cash flow did not stop here. Let me add more strategies. So if you are smarter enough, let's assume manager give you the price of a car at the rate of 7 million naira and you posted it on your platform online. Then you posted it at the rate of 9 million naira. That means you added 2 million naira from the initial price that the manager gave to you. But you and I knows that the customer will not buy it at that price you just told him. He must bargain. So let's assume customer beat the price and bargain down to 7.5 million naira and you agreed and the deal has been closed. That means now you have gotten extra 500,000 naira gain. But do you still remember the commission agreement between you and the manager? That one is still there awaiting you. So definitely you will be getting 2 income cash flow from a single car you sell without any investment or any startup capital. Guys, do you know what we call these business strategies? It is called dropshipping business. It is a business that you sell a stuff without owning the stuff by yourself. And this kind of business can be applicable to different type of business organization. You can start this business with people that are selling boutique, people that are selling wigs, people that are selling shoes, people that are selling motorbicycle, people that are selling different type of things, different type of stuff. As far as you have a good agreement with the vendors, you are good to go. So if you find this video very educative and very valuable to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share it to your family and friends so that they'll grab this idea. Thank you so much. God bless you, and let's meet in my next video.